Have you ever made an online payment and wondered about the giant network that makes it all happen? You've probably used a digital wallet or a prepaid voucher to buy something online, transfer money, or pay for a game. What you might not know is that many of those services are connected under one massive umbrella. We're talking about Paysafe, a global payments powerhouse. Paysafe is a leading provider of payment solutions, and they've built their empire by bringing some of the biggest names in the industry into their family. This isn't just one service, it's a whole ecosystem. Let's start with Skrill. If you're into online gaming or trading, you've definitely seen Skrill as a payment option. It's a digital wallet that allows you to send and receive money internationally with ease. With a focus on low-cost transfers and multi-currency support, Skrill is a go-to for many people around the world. Then there's Neteller. Like Skrill, Neteller is a digital wallet, and it's been a major player in the online payments space for a long time. It's particularly well known for its secure transactions and quick transfers to a wide range of merchants, especially in the online entertainment and gaming sectors. Neteller also offers its own prepaid card, giving users another way to access their funds and spend them anywhere that accepts MasterCard. And finally, we have paysafecard. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to pay online without using a bank account or credit card. Paysafecard is a prepaid voucher that you can buy at a physical store. It comes with a 16-digit PIN, and all you have to do is enter that code to make a secure online payment. It's perfect for privacy, budget control, and for those who simply prefer to pay with cash. These three names, Skrill, Neteller, and Paysafecard, are just a few of the key players in the Paysafe family. They each serve a unique purpose, but together, they create a comprehensive suite of payment solutions for millions of users and businesses globally. So the next time you see one of these logos, you'll know it's not just a single service, but a piece of a much larger, interconnected payment world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.